now I'm here. And I get to mess around in here for a little bit, including with my man, DJ Rob Swift, the professor, the executioner. He is back.
What up, man?
For another midnight to 3 a.m. shift. He's very excited, by the way. I asked you earlier, how do you feel after watching your boy Sam Darnold?
I feel good. We finally got a quarterback. It feels, hopefully, that'll be the reality this year. I say he starts by the 4th game.
You're saying by the 4th game, Sam Darnold. You heard it from the professor himself. By the 4th game, that is going to be the new starting quarterback for the New York Jets. So, you know why we're here, other than to watch the cutting ability of one DJ Rob Swift. Killing it as always. We want to make sure that we get you involved as often as possible, as much as possible. We got over 1 million drafted teams in our last hour. We're in hour number 7 of our 29-hour fantasy football marathon. We're trying to hit 2 million. We got a chance to hit 2 million a year ago. Very important. Steaks should not be cooked beyond medium. Steaks should not be cooked beyond medium. I love that you guys agree on that.
I'm hitting a button. I'm hitting a button.
Oh, right.
I'm hitting a button from over here.
Hit me with this, Rob Swift.
Medium well done. Medium, I don't want it red. I don't want blood or none of that. Medium well.
Why don't you eat a hamburger?
Medium well. Medium well.
Eat a hamburger then.
Medium well. I'm hitting a button.
I bet you put A1 on it too, don't you?
He's medium well. All right.
Does he cut the crust off his peanut butter and jelly also? I mean, come on.
Medium well.
I want my steaks to move.
I don't want that. I don't want that.
I better not see any red on my steak or I'm sending it back, says DJ Rob Swift. Carl Ruiz's best advice for a tailgate Sunday. What's your best advice in 15 seconds?
Don't bring cheap friends. That's my best advice.
That's actually good advice to live by just about anywhere.
Makes good sense.
That's pretty good.
What if you yourself are cheap, though?
That's why you got the friends.
That's why you got the friends that aren't.
Exactly. You don't want to have a boat. You want to have a friend that has the boat.
Exactly. Absolutely.
That's what I'm saying. DJ Rob Swift, always cutting it up.
Thanks for having me. This was awesome.
Thank you so much for being here, good sir.
You kept the party jumping,
brother.
Hey, Anita, I listen to you on Sundays every morning.
Sunday fun day, baby.
On ESPN Radio in New York. Anita kills it every week. Rob Swift, though, what's your best advice as a football fan, especially as a Jet fan this year?
Have faith.
Sorry, that was fun.
We got Darnold. I think we're going to do something this year, hopefully. Maybe make the playoffs.
No, they're not.
Ooh. Maybe.
Big,
the looks on everyone's faces are pretty sorry. I'm going to have faith.